Hello! Jailer Shark here for your Phuket weekly weather update live from my garden. That's right. Hey, behind me is a lemon tree.
It's just
another lemon tree. And I was hoping then Miguel's put the lemon tree song on. If he hasn't, then that bit hasn't really worked. But I'm sure he has because he's a smart cookie, our Miguel. That's right.
I got you, homie.
Anyway, if you want to know what the weather's doing for the first week of March, that's right, we're in March now. Almost halfway through the year. We're not at all, because it's only the 4th month. But anyway, if you want to know what the weather's doing for the first week of March here in Phuket right now, then I'm going to tell you in the next 8 minutes or so. Okay? Good. I'll just warn you, there is a little bit of sunshine falling from the sky. It happened this morning in my garden, which is nice for my lemon tree. Just another lemon tree. And the rest of the garden needed it as well. But anyway, will it rain for the rest of the week? I don't know. I do know because I've just recorded it, so I can tell you. And will it be beautiful to go out on tour? I know that as well. So if you stay tuned, I'll answer both of those questions. Got it? Good. Right, lemon tree. Woo!
It's just another lemon tree.
Yay, lemon tree. Now you're going to say it's lime because it's green, but it's not. It's a Thai lemon, and it does go yellow, a little bit yellow later, but they are quite green anyway. All right, good. Let's go do the weather. Lemon tree. Woo-woo! Hello, Jailer Shark here for your Phuket weekly weather update live from my bedroom. It's bright, isn't it? The curtain's open today. It's very, very bright. First week of March. You know that because I just said it all in the intro. There's a little bit of sunshine falling from the sky this morning, but that was quite nice. Need a bit of thunderstorm. It's starting to get to that season now, heading into March and April, and thunderstorms start to come. But you'll know all about that after this 8 minutes of talking about the weather. So we're on windy. Why are we on windy? Because windy shows us what the wind direction, which shows us where the weather's coming in from, so we can see if it's going to be bumpy or not, or if it is going to rain, where the rain's coming from. Now, I'm not saying it is going to rain, but the next couple of days do look like there could be a little bit of thunderstorms kicking around. But we'll see. Generally, the thunderstorms just come in and then they blow right through.
Huh?
But not confuse our guide. No. Blow right through. There we go. Get my words out. So anyway, this is windy. Purple, which is up here, is good. Blue is good. Light green is okay. Dark green's not too bad. Yellow is going to be bumpy. Orange going to be really bumpy. And if you see this guy,
I'm Ron Burgundy.
that's right, Ron Burgundy. It's going to be blowing its off. The girl will have to bleep that bit out, but that's okay. Right, it's really bright here. Luckily, my bedroom faces the sun. I was going to say which direction it faces, but that will give away when I'm filming this, because I'm not filming this on Sunday morning. I'm actually filming this on Saturday afternoon, but shh, don't tell anyone. That's just I'm busy tomorrow. I'm going out on a boat, so I thought I'd film it early. Is that all right? But we'll pretend this is Sunday morning. So Sunday morning, if it was Sunday morning, the sun would be the other side of the house. You don't need to know about that, do you? No. So Phuket is here in the middle. You've got Phang Nga Bay, which is here. You've got Phi Phi got here. Similar islands are here. Now, talking of similar islands, March is probably the last month you really want to go to similar islands because it is starting to get a little bit bumpy out there. So you've got a little bit of a window. Yes, it's open till May the 15th, but March is really the last time where you can not guarantee flat traffic, which is right here, because you have to go all the way along here, which is about 2 hours. But if you want to go now if I was you. And then Rapture is down here. So there you go. So this is windy. So this is Sunday morning as I record this. It's not. It's Saturday afternoon. And actually, the cloud's coming over now. Look, see? It's not as bright as it was 2 seconds ago. That's going to mess up with the camera, isn't it? Oh, well, doesn't matter. So Sunday morning looks nice. However, the wind direction, which is odd, is coming from the west. Now, the wind direction generally doesn't change until the end of April. So this just might be this week that it's changing. I don't think it's actually going to come in early, the low season. No, I just think it's just one of those weeks. Sun's back out again. Sunday afternoon, a little bit of green coming in. So it might be a little bit bumpy tonight. Tomorrow, when I go out. I'm going out on a bio tour. It's going to be fun, actually. I'm looking forward to it. Monday the 2nd, that's right, 2nd of March. It's March time. Looks good, nothing really to worry about. Looks really nice. Purple up here in Phang Nga Bay. Phi Phi doesn't look too bad. Rapture looks good. Similar Islands looks okay. Not too bad. Monday afternoon. Monday afternoon looks fantastic. Look, purple right here. All on the east side of Phuket, so that looks good. Monday afternoon, I think we just did, that's Monday evening. Monday evening, a little bit of wind comes in. Not too bad though. Tuesday the 3rd, looks good in the morning. Tuesday afternoon, once again, purple. So Tuesday looks great. Looks lovely, in fact. Wednesday, little tiny bit of wind in the morning, but once again, nothing coming back. Still coming from the northwest, which is odd. Wednesday afternoon, a little bit more wind, but nothing really to worry about. Phang Nga Bay still looks good. Phi Phi still looks good. Hong Krabi, which is here, looks good. Hong Krabi is a really good tour. If you've done Phi Phi, you've done Phang Nga Bay, I highly recommend Hong Krabi. It's awesome. It's got a tropical white beach, it's got limestone cliffs, it's got a hidden lagoon, and it's got a great viewpoint. All in all, it's a fantastic tour to go on, especially if you've done Phi Phi and you've done Phang Nga Bay. Wednesday evening, a little bit windy, so that seems to be the pattern. It's not so windy in the evening, it just picks up a little bit, which may bring in some thunderstorms in the evening, may not, but it's like I said, only in the evening, nothing to worry about during the daytime. Thursday the 5th looks good. Thursday afternoon, really good, purple round here. Once again, I do worry about the Simlin Islands, but you should be okay because the wind direction is coming that way, so it might be a bit rough going out. Hold on, Tuesday morning, yeah, it might be a bit rough going out, but coming back it'll be right because we're going with the waves. You've got with the waves, which would be nice. And then Friday the 6th looks amazing. Look at that. Friday looks great. Friday afternoon, wowzers. Friday looks fantastic. Saturday the 7th. Saturday the 7th, the wind's coming back from the east, so the wind's changed direction halfway through this week, and it looks back to normal. So an odd week. So the start of the week does look like it might be a little bit of thunderstormy, especially for Sunday, today. It's actually tomorrow when I'm filming this. And it doesn't really matter though, because whenever you're watching this, you might be watching this on Tuesday, thinking, why talk about today, which is Saturday. No, it's not, it's Sunday. I'm just confusing myself now. Anyway, it looks good all next week. So make sure you go out. Maybe a little bit of thunderstorms in the evening, and that's about it. Let's go to acute. It's bright again, look. Acute weather. So this is our standard weather forecast. So 33 degrees, 34 degrees. It does say here for Sunday and Monday, there is a 55% chance of a shower, which generally does mean a little thunderstorm coming in. But Tuesday, 1%, Wednesday, 1%, Thursday, 1%, and then back to Friday, it says 55%, and Saturday, 55%. I don't believe that. But it does look like, comparing windy and the acute weather, it looks like that, yeah. So Sunday and Monday might be a bit of a thunderstorm. The rest of the week looks fantastic-rooney. And let's look at the TMD weather radar forecast, which is pointless because this is live, as I record this on Sunday morning, Saturday afternoon. And you can see there was a bit of rain this morning that was there. A little bit of rain here, but it doesn't matter because this is live right now. And it's not even Sunday, so it doesn't matter. All right, good. Hey, I've never shown you this. This is my goat. Can you see my goat? I like goats. There you go. Oh, actually, I went to Koh Rang on, when was it? Friday. I went to Koh Rang on Friday to go and see Brian the goat. Brian the goat wasn't there, but there were some other goats. Here's a picture of them. They look lovely. Now, Koh Rang's a cool place to go, especially if you want to go ATVing or you want to go jet skiing, then go to Koh Rang. After your tour, you can head to Koh Rang. It's quite a nice place. However, for some strange reason, they had a big sign that said, no food, don't bring any food from outside onto the island. And we got there, we wanted some shrimp cakes, and they had no food. Very strange. Anyway, that's my story about Koh Rang. Still a cool place. Did a few trips last week, which I can't talk about as well, because it's time for the NBA. A bit like Shaquille O'Neal here. Ha ha! Can you see him? I'm not sure. Anyway, there you go. That's your Phuket weekly weather update. Live for me. Sunday morning, Saturday afternoon as I record this. For the first week of March. If you've got any questions about the weather for March or for April, then please comment below and share the love. This video needs some love, that's for sure. God, it's hot here in the sunshine. Right, there you go, that's it. I'm going to wrap this up. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe and all that jazz. Remember, we do daily weather updates on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, and on YouTube Shorts. Got it? Good. Peace. For your weekly weather, Phuket. About what the weather.